Ancient sports and games. Neha asked. Sir, what came first, sports or games? Sir replied, nobody is sure which came before. Perhaps they came together. Preeti wondered. Why did people create them, for health or for entertainment? Sir thought, I think, entertainment. Priya asked. What were the popular ancient sports? Sir explained, in ancient Egypt, hunting and archery were popular sports. Komal asked, what was more popular of the two, hunting or archery? Sir said, both were equally popular. A pharaoh would prove his supremacy and strength by excelling. Divya asked, did only pharaohs play these games, or poor people also played them? Sir replied, well, only the pharaohs. Other classes entertained themselves with jumping, stick combats, wrestling, or ball games. He added, in Greece, bull combats were popular with boys and girls. Priya questioned, why bull combats? Aren't they deadly? Sir suggested, maybe they were a part of some religious ceremonies or a form of sport. He emphasized, sports held a higher position in ancient Greece than anywhere else. Sir continued, records reveal sports had a purpose, to prove strength and play games at funerals. Sami requested, Sir, please tell us a little about Olympics now. Sir explained, Olympic Games seem to have started much before 776 B.C. He noted, amazingly, women were neither allowed to participate in nor even watch the great event. Sir added. However, this stand was relaxed later, and women, too, began participating. Rajan said, Sir, I have heard that sports were very popular in Rome as well. Sir confirmed. In Rome, chariot racing prevailed. Who isn't familiar with it? He clarified, the origin of this sport does not lie in Rome, as most Roman sports were inspired by Greek athletics. Sir stated, for the Romans, sports were a form of physical exercise. He concluded, though they loved chariot racing, other activities like wrestling, boxing, javelin throw, discus throw, and foot races also amused them. Preeti asked, Sir, from where were the gladiators, Rome or Greece? Sir answered, well, they were from Rome. Divya asked, who were the gladiators? This is the first time I've heard about them. Sir explained, gladiators were fighters. Their fights consisted of a man fighting another man, or a man fighting an animal. Divya exclaimed, how brutal these gladiatorial combats must have been. The gladiators must have been either very brave or mad to engage in such fights. All laugh, the bell rings. Sir concluded, well friends, that's all for today. We'll continue tomorrow. I hope you are now more aware of ancient sports than before. Say yes or no loudly. Everyone spoke loudly. Yes, sir.